In this video, we're going to take a look at 3 examples of evaluating piecewise functions. So for example 1, given the function f of x equals the piece 3x plus 5 if x is less than 0, and 4x plus 7 if x is greater than or equal to 0, we are asked to find f of negative 2. So you go to your domain and see where negative 2 would fit. So it's less than 0, which means you've got to plug in negative 2 into this piece, which will be 3 times negative 2 plus 5. So you simplify and you get f of negative 2 equals negative 1. To find f of 0, you do the same thing. You go to your domain and see where it would fit. So less than 0 would not be correct. It would be greater than or equal to 0. So we plug it in this piece. So 4 times 0 plus 7 would just give us 7 for f of 0. Let's look at example 2. So given this piecewise function, we're asked to find f of negative 4. So negative 4 would be in the domain where x is less than negative 2. But for all values where x is less than negative 2, it's just equal to 4. So no matter what we're asked to find that's less than negative 2, it'll just equal 4. And then f of 5 would fall into the second piece of our function. So we plug it in here and we get 5 squared minus 1 is 25 minus 1, which is just 24. And for our third example, we have 3 pieces and we're asked to find f of 3. So that would fit into the category of the third piece where x is greater than 2. So we simply plug that in and simplify for absolute value, so that's just equal to 2. And then f of negative 1 would be in the category between negative 2 and positive 2. And we simply plug that one in and just square negative 1 and we get 1.